Hey, I'm back, looking crusty as ever, and today we're gonna be indulging in some self-care because I'm looking a bit rusty. I've been sick literally every other week since the beginning of the year. I'm done. I'm about to get a will and fill it out. Like, I don't understand what's wrong with me. I don't, but I think my immune system is gone. I gotta put my tape back. I found 2 4-leaf clovers today. And if anyone knows me in my personal life, I'm obsessed with finding 4-leaf clovers. And this is my first 2 I've found since like 2020. And I tape them both sides so it never, like, as it decays, it like won't fall apart. Like, I'll always have it. And then I put them in my picture. It's right there. But I put them in my little picture frame of my dog that passed because he gives me luck. I like to believe so anyway. Let me shed my glasses and then we'll have a better picture at the dilemma that's happening all over here. So, you know those Octobuddy things? That's kind of where you are right now on one of my mirrors. But if I like physically zoom in, I'm not shiny because I'm radiant, I'm greasy and a little sweaty. It's the hottest it's been. I live on a porch. If you haven't seen my I live on a porch room arrange video, a few things that need to be done. First, I'm gonna put on this trusty headband. She's very cute. You know what? No, first I need to change into something a little lighter. It's hot. So, okay. And then on with what I said before. I'm not even gonna lie, this video is not from the waist down. I ain't wearing pants because it's hot and I'm the only one in my room other than my perfect boy. Anyway, back to production. Headband. Let me put this on. Ugh. This makes my face hot. Okay. Oh, it's a little... First, while we do everything, teeth whitening strips. They're not bad. They're not. You know what? The lighting says otherwise, but I promise in real life, it's not bad. I will put on one of these. These are from Walmart. I believe the box was 12 bucks. And it comes with, no, I believe it's 10 packages like this. And it labels you top and bottom, thank God, because I actually would have switched it because I would have assumed the big one goes on bottom because you show less teeth in the major front than your bottom, if that makes any sense. Wow. It's hot in here. See, this long one I would assume goes on the top, but the long one does go on the top. I'm gonna shut up about that now. Dry my teeth a little bit. Oh. Okay. Oh. You got it. Okay. I can't listen away. Oh, they taste awful. Okay. Those are on. And now, see, I wasn't sure what to do first. The pore sucker, a nose strip, or a face mask on the whole face. Oh, this was sitting in my car and it's hot. If I put this on my face, it's gonna be a little toasty. There's stuff under my nails. I do my nails myself, and this is the best I've ever done for, like, you know, acrylics, but they're all different shapes and lengths. We're gonna put this on. Wow, it's hot. Squeeze a little on my brush. It's gonna hurt when I put it on my face. No, it's like warm bath water. Woo! It smells like paint. This is a look. Oh my god. I don't know if the thumbnail should be all this on my face or I took a before, like yesterday. I'm not sure if I want to do that one. Some people rock that look. The no brow look. Or like, no, it's the no brow look. Or the really light blonde brows. Those slay on people. Like, whoever can pull that off is lucky. Because that means they can probably pull anything off. Like the people that can pull off micro bangs. They're so cute, but I could never. I look awful. I've been wanting to film this video for a while, but you ever like, you're at work all day and then you get home and you're like, I really want to film that video. I would much rather sit and do nothing. That's me. Oh, I hit my elbow. No, it just says leave it on 10 to 20 minutes. We'll leave it on for however. But now my brush is dirty and I gotta go wash it. So, give me a minute. I'm back. She's clean. Oh. Some of this residue is getting on my lips. The other things we can't really do until I'm done with this. Don't know what to do. Ow! Oh my god! I keep hitting my elbows. Ouch. I have such dry skin. Let's put some lotion on. Oh, I got an itch. Oh! Oh my god. I use the dupe of Sol de Janeiro from Five Below. Solar Flare. Smells amazing, and it's $5 instead of like $50. I don't know how much that is, but it smells really good. I use this. It just has vitamins and collagen in it. I got it from TJ Maxx. Also smells amazing. Yeah, I tend to use this on my face and this on my body. So we'll go with this for my elbows. Anyone else get dry elbows? It's not great. It's not for the weak. You ever wake up and you know you're sick because you feel like you got rammed by like an 18 tire truck? You do. You know what I mean. That's how I've been feeling. So I need this to rejuvenate myself. I should have put a timer on, man. Dang it. I have cleaned off the mask and my skin is exfoliated. I think that's the word. I still have these in. I'm gonna wet my face with my nice little bottle of water. And I'm gonna do one of these. Okay. Scared my cat. And then I'm gonna give my face a little shave. Okay. I'm shaving and smooth. I cleaned up the tops of my eyebrows and a little over here and there. Now, keep the wetting spray and we grab nose strip for here. Your face has to be really moist for these or it doesn't work as good. So and I like to break it up because it's stiff. You really gotta mess around with it for a solid minute, 30 seconds at least. It's crooked, but it's okay. And if it feels sticky, that's good because it'll dry, don't worry. It does get on you though and sticks to your face, so you gotta give your nose a nice wash when you're done. I use these face strips. I'm gonna use two today. One for up here, one for down here. Done with your water now. And yes, you look a little crazy, especially this chin one, because when you talk, obviously. But it's okay. You gotta look a little crazy to look good, you know? Put this stuff on, I feel pretty ugly, not gonna lie. So, put on a little mascara, make yourself feel a little better. I'm not gonna lie, I spooked myself out. I have a mirror right there, and I saw my reflection, and I went, in my head, I'm like, who's that? Ooh. I love scary movies, but when it comes to real life scenarios, no. That's it. No. I got an itch. And always use your trusty dusty Q-tip with a bit of moisture to clean up your mess. And if anyone at all was wondering, I use this mascara, Glossier, if that's how you say it. They look great. I like to use that one, and then my second favorite is the Telescopic. This one, I don't believe You know what? I take that back. I think they're both waterproof. I like my shirt. I'm a sucker for SpongeBob. There's not much to do now other than wait again. Anyway, sometimes all you need though, a face glove to make you feel a little better about yourself. Well, I guess I'll come back when it's time to peel these girls off, give you a nice review. So, bye. I think putting it this way will give you a better look-see, but we're gonna do these ones first. Whoa! They hurt. Whoa! Dang, that was a big one. Oh, it's pulling them hairs. Oh. I got one really good one right there in the middle, but I think I've been having really bad acne right there, so pretty good. Now for this one, let's do this way. Oh, oh, that hurt. Oh, I don't know if I can do this. Oh, oh, what's happening? Oh. That was awful. Oh my god, that was awful. It mostly just got hair. Oh, it burns. Okay. Last one, the best. Get a grip. I got quite a bit. That was one of my better ones I've ever done. Anyway, now sit you right there, honey. I have these they're night soothing wipes, but they're really smooth and they feel really good. And my skin's now irritated, so I use one of these. Clean up any excess sticky I got on there. And I still feel it a little. Oh, and I got a nice big red bump right there. Anyway, switching the angles. You're back up there because for like I believe our last thing, after taking these off too, but that will be the last. You know what? You can take them off now. It's slightly difficult. I'm gonna go brush my teeth and I'll be right back. I'm back and this is my final teeth. On to the last item. Again, I was incorrect. You need your spray bottle one more time. You don't need a spray bottle. You get some water and just spray your nose again. I like the highest setting. I think it does the best. I like to go slow and over spots repeatedly, because sometimes the first time it just gets them unstuck from in your nose, and then you get them on the second go around. And it will leave a mark if you leave it down for too long, so I don't recommend that. And it literally doesn't matter how much you do this, you are gonna have pores in this thing every day. Unless you get like a pore tightener, you can get one of those at probably any place that sells makeup, or not makeup, skincare. I know Sephora has is it Sephora or Ulta? One of those two places has it's a pore tightener, like watermelon glow serum, I think it's called. Anyway, look away if you're grossed out. All of that, okay. There, all of that right there is gunk from my nose. I always use a Q-tip to clean it out. It works best. And I'll just use one of my little pads here to clean up the excess water on my face. Oh, my face feels so smooth. I gotta feel it. Oh, feels so nice. but I use the Ordinary drop. I have two different types. This one is the hychloric acid 2% plus B5, and this one is, I can't pronounce the name, but something that starts with an N, 10% plus zinc 1%. This I believe works better, but I don't want to run out, so I'm using all of this first, and it's literally down to its last few uses. Whenever I do use even this one, the one I think doesn't work better, I believe my acne does much better. I mean, I still have breakouts, obviously, like everyone, but I think it really helps calm down everything about it. I used my Sephora points for this. It is the Grande Brow Enhancing Serum. It's a little early to tell if it works, but I do believe this eyebrow was a lot shorter than this one. Well, that's the true part. This eyebrow was a lot shorter than this one, and now they're like about the same length. I don't know if that's, you know, placebo effect and I'm wanting this to work to make them look good, but maybe it's working, maybe it's not. I don't know. I got it with my points, so they give you like the smallest item on the menu. Yeah. Though, it's not much smaller than the Rare Beauty Brow Gel. It's my favorite. It's my favorite. Rare Beauty Brow Gel, get it. It is the best brow gel on the market, really, seriously. But I think that's everything. I was just doing a nice little face fix, you know, you need that here and there. But thank you for coming along with me. I hope this wasn't incredibly boring, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.